Alright, Urban Family, so this is my PA of the day, which is January 12th, 2023, with a cat yen. Thank you. I just want to say thank you for Henny's, and at the same time, also do my own diligence on my education, what I learned from Naveen, and overall, um, unicorn, everything, all combined. Okay, so basically my PA is gonna be real quick, since I didn't really put much, but I really put a lot of attention of being awareness in it. So my PA, just very quick, I just take on my price from here, instead moving back up, because going to the 1 hours, the 4 hours from there, just it's supposed to be 1 hour. So I, in my head, I was treating this as the which is the primary over here, and over here is supposed to be the secondary. Since it started breaking out, so okay, cool. I will go to check on any 5 minutes to get an enter from there. So instead of that, I see this area and that area, and I want to take it from here, but now I was like, I don't know. It would be good ideas from there. So from here, what I see that it did give me a good price. It did give me a move from this area, and I see this is like a S to my area for now 1 hour. So um, the trade was taking too long. I just really didn't want to move on more, and then from there, but it felt like at the moment I was sawing like a little green in there, and then from 5 minute, and it's just really bad. I just didn't want to focus on 5 minutes so much. So and also I just of course I want to stick on the 1 hour at my end from here, and it's getting to the point I'm getting really tired, so I didn't want to keep moving from there, and I didn't felt really safe in it because it did react the area from here, and the reaction from here, it wasn't really that good or not, but at that point I just felt it that it's not good time to do it from there. um well, it did broke to that area, which is I like it right now, but at the same time, why I got out, it just didn't, it's too far. It's just too far from here, and the way Henny say they'll just get a better price from this area and then take it down. So the price is not that good. That the way I take it from here. So for that, I gotta give that. So that for sure, the price wasn't really that good for me. And seeing them right now, they look like they're moving the market right now. Cool, but I'm out. I'm out at this PS price now. Good man. I am not getting anymore. Getting 10 times smarter in this, taking this trade, and yeah, I'm not getting. I need a better price, and very, very don't want to go through a pain. And these they can go from there. So yeah, that's basic for my PA that I want to explain. I just took the price, and what I can do better is get a better price. That is my main goal from it, from main focus, instead of getting all this distraction from here. So yeah, that's basically my PA of the day. If you have any feedback, please welcome, to give me a feedback so I could able to improve every of the step of the PA, and what I can do for my PA also to be better. Yeah, thank you for watching, and that's it. That's my PA.